Welcome students. Today we are going to study linear equations in two variables for class 10th. Now first of all, what is a linear equation in two variables? A linear equation in two variables. Linear equation means the highest power of the variable should be 1. It will have two variables. Here x and y, these are the two variables. A, B, C are the constant numbers where A and B cannot be equal to 0. Means I'll have, for example, if I'm taking equation 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, here A equal to 2, B equal to 3 and C equal to minus 5. X and y, these are the two variables in this equation, okay, and A, B and C are the values. Here A and B should not be equal to 0 for an equation in two variables. You can have C equal to 0, okay. Now next we go for, if we say x comma y is a solution to this equation, what does it mean? If we say x comma y is a solution to this equation, it means that in place of x, if I substitute that value, and in place of y, if I substitute this value, then left hand side equal to right hand side. Means this point will satisfy this equation, okay. For example, let's use a hit and trial method. If x equal to 0, what will be the value of y? Y equal to 5 by 3. Means the solution of the equation is 0 comma 5 by 3. The first value is always for x and the second value is always for y. Yes, this is just, we have from our side we have taken the value of x to be 0 and calculated the value of y. So we can say 0 comma 5 by 3 is a solution to this equation. And now if I'll substitute these values in this equation, I'll get left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is a solution to the equation, okay. Now if here in this particular case, I have to substitute the value of x from my side. Now let us say we are provided with two equations. We have two linear equations in two variables. First one is a1x, b1y, c1 equal to 0, and the second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, okay. The second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Whenever we have two equations, or each equation represents a line. Each linear equation in two variables always represents a line. So if I have two equations, means I have two lines. So two lines, either the two lines can be intersecting lines. If I plot them on a graph paper, these two lines, either they will be intersecting lines or these lines will be parallel to each other, or these lines can be coincident, means they overlap on one another. These are the three cases that we have to study. Means when we are provided with two equations or we are provided with two lines, either the two lines will be intersecting lines, or the two lines will be parallel lines, or the two lines will be overlapping or coincident lines, okay. So first of all, we should know how to plot a graph if the two equations are given to us. Let us say, take a line 2x plus 3y equal to 9, and the other one is 4x plus 6y equal to say 18. Now we have to plot these lines on the graph paper. So we should start with the first one. 2x plus 3y equal to 9. We have to make a table for this. Let x equal to 0. So what will be the value of y? We get y equal to 3. So we should fill up it 0 and 3. Okay. Now same way, let y equal to 0. Then substitute this value. We'll have 2x plus 0 equal to 9, or x is equal to 9 by 2. If y is 0, then x is 9 by 2. Minimum you have to find out 2 values for one equation. You can find out more values also, but minimum you should find out 2 values. Same way, we'll simplify it for the other equation also. Now it's 4x plus 6y equal to 18. Let x equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, we'll have 4 plus 6y equal to 18. 6y equal to 18 minus 4, that is 14. So 6y equal to 14, or y equal to 14 by 6, that is 7 by 3. So again you have to if I take x as 1, y will be 7 by 3. Now if I take y equal to 1, if y equal to 1, then 4x plus 6 equal to 18, 4x is equal to 12, or x is equal to 3. So if y is 1, x is 3. Even I can take one more values, because see this value is 7 by 3. It's difficult to plot it on a graph paper. So we'll look for one more value. If we take x is equal to, let us take x equal to 3. Okay, so what we'll get? Y equal to 1. Hence, if my x value is 3, this value I already have. Okay, let's start with this only. Now, how to plot these values? Well, first of all, this is my y-axis, this one is the x-axis. Let us plot x is 0 and 3. Just take some values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either भी ले लो. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This side we have negative values. And minus x on this side. Okay, now let's plot the values. When x is 0, y is 3. When x is 0, y is 3. So this is one of the point. Second, when y is 0, the value of x is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 4 by 5. So this is the second value. This is my 0, 3, and this one is 9 by 2, 0. These are the two values. Same way, now we have to join these 2 points with a straight line. This is my one line. And same with the other one, x is equal to 1. If I take x equal to 1, this is 7 by 3. 7 by 3 means approximately it's 2.1. 7, 3, 2, 6. It will be somewhere, if I'll take x is equal to 1, then this value will be somewhere here itself. Then 3, 1. If my x value is 3, y value is 1. So you can see both the lines are over one another. So such lines are known as coincident lines. Same way you can have intersecting lines also. Now in this particular case, both the lines are coincident, means each and every point that lies on one line is also lies on the other line also. So it overlapping lines will have infinite solutions. Okay, if you have intersecting lines, after plotting the values, if we have just one point of intersection, then this point of intersection is the solution of the two equations. If we have parallel lines, then since the line does not intersect at any of the points, we'll say they have no solution. So if you have intersecting lines, it will have unique solution. If the lines are parallel to each other, it will have infinite solution. And if the two lines are parallel to each other, means they are not intersecting at any of the point, so they don't have any common point. So we'll say it has no solution.